Hi everyone, I am Priyanka on behalf of Paper Studio, and this is my DT kit for the month of November. Since Christmas is just around the corner, they've also launched a new paper line. So let me walk you through first with the paper packs. So this one is Christmas time 12 by 12. All the paper packs comes in 6 by 6 as well. So this is an old paper, but I really like the design and these small cute figures on the 12 by 12 sheet. I thought it will make a beautiful cutout from like a window for a card, and then you can decorate on top. So the size is quite good. So this is the first sheet. It's called Christmas Time A, and then the back is this holly and the berries with the birds. I don't know the name of the birds. I'm not very good at that. The second sheet is this wooden panel in the Christmas colors, and then at the back we have this toy soldiers. The third sheet is this Christmas toy shop and decorative shops pattern, and the back is the green beautiful design. The fourth one is this beautiful window with the decoration and a beautiful plaid at the back. Then we have the wreaths and the flower pots. This one is their favorite design. They have almost in many paper packs with different colors. Really goes well with layouts as well as backgrounds. Then we have the tea cakes and this couple of bunny at the back. Okay. Then we have the flower sheet. It's really pretty. And then we have the red one at the back. Then the patterns repeat themselves, and don't forget that at the back of the 12 by 12 papers you always get this sentiment sheet. See, these are really handy and they have in different colors, so it solves all your purposes. Now let me show you the next paper pack that I got. This one is Joy to the World Basics. They have another line in this. That one has more vibrant colors. This one is a bit more pastel, and at the back here again we have these sentiments in the coordinating colors. Then the first sheet is this wreath with the Jesus and their parents, his parents, um, and then here at the back we have the scripting, some letter, and then some aura, and then we have the Christmas stars, decorative stars, and then the bird with the beautiful floral arrangements. Then we have this flower pattern here and a beautiful checkered um, woven denim, something like a linen kind of pattern. And then this one is the fourth sheet, like an angel and a baby here, and then this beautiful arrangement on the top. Then we have musical notes at the back, and I love this arrangement here. It's a wooden slice with candles and some pine cones and flowers. Yep. And then we have this beautiful sheet here. It's a pattern, and then we have the same woven pattern in the blue color. Then the stars again in the blue color. Then we have the desert camels and the whole Jesus setup, like the hut and the angel. Yeah. So then the patterns repeat themselves. So this is Joy to the World Basics. Then I also ordered the crisp sentiment sheets. This one has all your Christmas needs. So they have black and white bases. These are big sentiments. These are in circular form. These are in lines, and the fonts are quite good. Then you have this one little bit in a reddish color, and then normal wishes, seasons greeting, jingle all the way, all those things in black and white. Yep. And then this was like in sale. There's a bundle with a stamp, all the seasons greetings stamps, and then we have the holly and the wreath and berries die. Size is quite good. It's perfect for albums as well. Okay, and then I've got the embossed die cuts. This is florals. It can go very beautifully with all the Christmas paper packs, so I thought it's a good addition to do some layering. Then I got the holly stencil. Yeah, it's holly. It's a 6x6 stencil and it's great for making patterns. Then we have the Joy to the World embossed die cuts. Let me show you this one. So these are ready to use. They can just be plucked out and go straight away on your cards or layouts or albums. With foam tape, it really looks great as it gives layering. So all the beautiful designs are there for you to work. Usually they include everything like small, medium and big embellishments. So this is the third sheet and then that's the fourth sheet. So these come in 4 sheets, 6x8 sheets and all ready to use. These are the embossed die cuts and they have this glazy look. If you touch, you can feel the embossed design. So that's the next sheet, and this is a gift from Paper Rose Studio. They just added some beautiful embellishment sheets in the kit. So first, second and then third, all Christmas things, and then this one from Lakeside Memories, and they have also sent some cardstock, 200 GSM. So this is it from my side for this kit. All the products will be linked down below. You can visit their website if you want to order something, and then just stay tuned for the inspirations. Thank you so much for watching. This is Priyanka from Paper Studio. See you next time. Bye.